Hi everyone, we're going to look at our first viewers clip today that I'm going to analyse. Now unfortunately it is an accident, but I've been assured that no one was injured or seriously injured, but unfortunately one of the cars was definitely written off. Now please keep sending us these clips. We've got a few absolute crackers that we're going to be looking at in coming weeks, so please send them to the usual places. But this particular clip, we're going to see maybe what either driver or both drivers could have done to avoid the accident.
This clip was sent in and it's actually not too far away from where I live. It's only just the other side of the Mersey on the Wirral Peninsula. Wow, that was a heavy head-on incident. It's quite amazing nowadays that we produce cars that are that strong and, I will add, that small and no one's seriously injured. Well done to car manufacturers. So, what have we got? We've got a built-up area, and I'm suspecting it's a 30 limit. There's no other indication that it's anything different. If we look at the shadows on the cars, the sun is pretty much from the right hand side in the video, so it's not going to be in the eyes of the oncoming driver. And with the big wide grassed areas at the side of the road, the main danger for me would have been what we couldn't see behind all of the parked cars. But saying that, the speed of the camera car is reasonable. This for me is the first sign of danger, and this is where I feel the camera car made its only real mistake. It doesn't reduce speed enough to deal with the risk that's ahead. So we've reached this critical point, and I'll be honest, there's no way in the world originally would I have thought the red car was going to do what it eventually did. I thought the danger was honestly going to come out from the side road. Because the red car hasn't observed properly when crossing traffic is the main cause of this accident. So why did the red car do what he did? Well, honestly, you've probably heard me say the phrase locking on. Maybe he was just following the vehicle in front. Most people as well, when they drive, they rely on reactions. They've got very little planning ability. So if he's arrived at the junction, tried to make a quick decision and got it wrong, this is when accidents happen. When cars are turning right and crossing the path of oncoming vehicles, when an accident happens, it's usually a serious one. But I'm thankful in this situation that no one was seriously injured. Driving is all about reducing risk, and even though it's likely that the red car's insurance company is going to be picking up the tab for this, it's also likely that the camera car's insurance is going to increase next year also.
So what's everyone's thoughts on that? Is there anything that Ashley's missed? Is there anything that you could maybe add and put down in the comments? Because everyone's opinion is really, really important. It allows these situations to be thoroughly analysed, and it may just stop someone getting themselves into that same situation, and it makes our roads safer. So everyone's input is really important. Don't forget, keep sending these clips in. We're going to have some fun over the next few weeks, and as always, thanks for watching.